Okay, let's do a room tour of 2419. Just off the lobby. Let's see here. And this room is different. Let's see. This is different from what we've done before. Regular lock. And then nice closet space with an extra blanket and pillow. A safe. You can put your coat in. Ironing board. These are all our things we brought from home for the beach. Some more storage up top. And then this is not a traditional layout. So usually you would walk in, you go straight out to the balcony. Well, this one is kind of like all over the place. So let's look at the kitchenette. Okay, the kitchenette has a microwave, and then above the microwave there is mugs, extra paper towels, some plates and bowls, which is nice because they used to just have paper plates and then plasticware with a toaster. You have some coffee. They give you a couple coffees, some tea, 3 coffees, which is nice. Usually they give you decaf, but this is all regular. Cups, can opener, dish soap, sponge, nothing underneath the sink. There's a hook here, mostly for decoration, but I guess you can hang stuff on there. And then there's a I thought it was a shower with subway tile. And then you have your H2O shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. They have some towels for putting down on the floor. And then you have the famous laundry zip line here, where you can clip this in and hang your bathing suit. And a little hidden Mickey here, normal trash, and then here you have a nice porcelain sink. There's some storage down below, tissues, some more H2O products, a hand towel, beautiful boat art. And then when we walk in here, normally your room would just go straight, but because this is kind of like a side room, it's amazing. This is really cool, and it's like way more space than you usually get. There's a huge flat screen TV here. You can angle it any which way you want. We have crush on the wall, and then there's a table, which I don't think we had a table in the other one either. So this is like a huge living room space. And then you have your bed, and even the backdrop of the bed is different and really nice. I don't know if this was redone, but it's beautiful. I think the other rooms actually had hardwood floors, and this has carpet, so it's nice. And then there's a dresser over here with plenty of plugs built into it and USB plugs. Some more beautiful art. I'll put some lights on here so you can see. Got more plugs there, a little nightstand, table, side table with a phone. Plenty of space in this room. And then you have a little table here that you can have breakfast or lunch. Another chair here. And then the best part about this room, you can open the door. Ooh, balcony. See our balcony here. Is you're at an ocean view. Wow. We're high up here. This is like the highest we've ever been. Oh, pelican. So maybe we'll see some dolphins or whales. You can see down the side. Wow, this is really nice. Really nice. Oh, what is that? Oh, that must be the... Wow, that's so cool. And nice greenish blue water. And then down there is where they do the movies. So, smaller balcony, but it is super private. Nobody next to us. And these chairs are super heavy. Not a bad place to rest your head. So that's the tour of the room. If you guys enjoyed that, hit that thumbs up button. Also, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button to come back for videos every week. And we'll see you all in the next video. This is going to be fun. This is going to be awesome. All right. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, dudes.